You're welcome to today's episode of Question and Answers with Emmanuel Jacob. So the question for today is, how do you streamline your altcoins and keep an eye on them all? So before I proceed, I'm glad to inform you that this video is proudly sponsored by Altcoins token. So if you are hearing of Altcoins token for the very first time, there's a link on the description that will take you to CoinMarketCap, where you are going to see the necessary details of Altcoins token, the current price, the 24 hours high and low, the market capitalization, the contract address, the total supply in all. So currently Altcoins token is being traded on two cryptocurrency exchanges, which is PancakeSwap and Index, and it's going to be listed on series of cryptocurrency exchanges in the coming days. So currently Altcoins token is quite cheap, and I think you might want to accumulate some before it goes to the moon. And there's going to be a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because the giveaway, in order to be eligible for it, there are terms and conditions, and one of the terms is that you don't skip any part of this video, so that you'll be able to answer the simple questions, which the answers is the video you are currently seeing. All right, so my name is Emmanuel Jacob, founder Digital Swap. If you are just visiting my YouTube channel for the very first time, I want you to subscribe, I want you to give me a thumbs up, then I want you to turn on post notification by clicking on the bell icon, so you'll be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. And don't fail to share this video across social media platforms, so that your friends could as well benefit from the answer I'm about to dish to you guys. All right, so the answer to the question is TapTrader. I use TapTrader to keep track of my cryptocurrencies. Like, I use it to watch my cryptocurrencies. I sometimes use it for technical analysis, because it is mobile friendly. I can have access to the price of the cryptocurrencies I'm holding and the ones I'm just watching, looking for a buy opportunity. All right, so there is a link on the description for both Android and iPhone users. You just click on the link and download TapTrader to your phone. So practically, let us see how to add cryptocurrencies to our watch list. All right, so in order to be able to do so, you've got to click on this plus icon. You click on this plus icon, then you use this search slide to type the name of the coin you want to add to your watch list. All right, so preferably, if you want to add any cryptocurrency, it's good that you choose the exchange of which you want to watch a particular cryptocurrency, because if you just choose random exchanges, the price sometimes on cryptocurrency exchanges do differ. All right, so in this context, I want to select Binance. All right, so on Binance, after selecting Binance, you now use this search slide to input the name of the cryptocurrency that you are looking to watch. All right, so I'm going to type BTC. Okay, so we have a whole lot of trading pairs with BTC. Then I want to locate BTC USDT. So if you find it difficult to easily locate the name of the coin you are looking for, or the trading pair, all you've got to do is to add slash to it. So once you add slash, you then type the other pair. All right, so I've typed BTC USDT. So now I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to click on the back button. Then I've been able to add BTC USDT to my watch list. So you can add as many this thing as possible. It has a limit of which I don't think I know. That is actually topic for another day. All right, so I'm going to add dot USDT. So you can use your Tap Trader to do a whole lot of stuff. We have you can link your cryptocurrency account, your exchange account. You can actually use it for trading. That is a topic for another day, which is one of the reasons you should make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification. All right, so you can use it for technical analysis. We have a lot of tools here. We have a lot of tools where you can use. We have some indicators where you can use in order to track or in order to predict where the market is headed. All right, we also have alerts. We have alerts here at the bottom of the screen, wherein you can choose to set an alarm at a particular price of a cryptocurrency, so it's going to alert you when the price of a coin drops to a certain level or when it goes up to a certain level. All right, so we have a whole lot of stuff. Tap Trader is quite amazing and cool. Then this is what you do if you want to reposition. Okay, I think I should add more cryptocurrencies so that I will show you how to reposition. I will show you how to delete. All right, so let me add Ethereum. I will need to choose the exchange first. Then I will need to type ETH/USDT. Then I will select Ethereum. So now I want to edit it and add link, that is short for chain link. Then I will add it to the list. I'm going to edit it again and add on file. Select it. I will delete this and choose Dodge. I will delete this and choose 1 inch. Okay, I'm going to delete this and choose BNB. Oh, I think I have a weak network. All right, okay, I think that is all for now. Then the next thing I've got to do is if you want to reposition a particular trading pair, you simply I want to relocate. I want to change the position of dots. All right, I want to take it from where it is currently to the bottom. All right, so I'm simply going to click and hold it, then I will drag it down. All right, so you can do it to any cryptocurrency pair. Then if you want to delete it, if maybe you've exceeded your limit, you simply click and hold it. Then you are going to see the delete button. All right, you are going to see the delete button at the top right corner of your screen. Then you click on it, then you'll be able to delete it. All right, so I think that is all for now. Then if you have any question, of which you would want me to treat, any question you want to ask me in regards to cryptocurrency, anything you want me to make video on, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp with the following number on the screen. I'm going to drop a link. There is a link on the description that will take you to my WhatsApp inbox where you can ask me crypto related questions. Then I'm going to make a video and others will benefit as well. So now about the giveaway, this is how it goes. We have $20 worth of Aglex token that is up for grabs, but before you could be eligible, this is what to do. You've got to share this video across social media platforms, and you are going to give me answer to this particular question. This is me testing if you actually watched through the video from the beginning to the end. So the question of which I want you to give me answer is apart from watching your cryptocurrency. So I think it's going to be two questions. give me 2 other things, that is the things I said about TapTrader, 2 other things that you can use your TapTrader application to do apart from watching your cryptocurrencies. Tell me 2 other things. Okay, so that is task number 1, or question number 1. So the second one is going to be a task. You are going to send proof of how you've sent these videos, the link of this video, how you've posted it on your WhatsApp status, all right, how you have shared it on Facebook. Okay, so because this giveaway is only going to be given out once this video hits 1,000 views, and we are going to achieve that if you share this video. I'm going to do my own part and you do your own part as well. Once it hits 1,000 views, then you that share the link, you that sends me answer to the question I just asked, you are going to be eligible, but it is limited to just 2 lucky winners. All right, so I believe you are going to be the winner, so make sure you do the needful right now. So lest I forget, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that now. If you are yet to turn on post notification, make sure you do that now. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Then most importantly, make sure you share this video, because a lot of persons out there just like you are in need of such an information like this. Make sure you share it across social media platforms. I'm hoping to see you some other time. Goodbye.